I have a proverb that I'd like to recite. It's called Leʻa kahula I ka hoʻopa'a. And Leʻa kahula I ka hoʻopa'a simply says that the hula is pleasing because of the hoʻopa'a. And so this goes back to the fact that our hula is brought back because of language. There can be no hula without a story. And so now through the education of our young people, they understand the intent of every movement, of everything that they dress, every flower that goes onto their bodies. Everything is done with intent of perpetuating our culture in such a way that it brings so much pride in everything that we do. So Leʻa kahula I ka hoʻopa'a also brings attention to the storyteller, because of course we cannot have any hula without the storyteller. So looking at the hula dancer must make that connection to the ho'opa'a in order for them to understand why their movements are as such. And then the Kumu hula bringing in their creative aspect into the storytelling of the composer. So it's a wonderful way of expressing ourselves as a culture.